Hi students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, coordinate geometry. In this chapter, we will learn about the position of a point in a plane. Position of a point in a plane. I will explain with the help of a few examples. Listen carefully. What is this? This is the number line. What do you mean by number line? On this line we mark all the numbers. Let it be 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And between these numbers there are numbers like 0.1, 0.2. Everything is there. I did not show that. And in the left side of 0 there will be negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, etc. Okay, is that okay? Consider it as a straight road. Consider it as a straight road. On this road these numbers are marked. Suppose, imagine a person is standing here. A person standing here, we can say that his position is at +3. Is that correct? Look at this picture. He is standing at +3. So we can say that his position is at +3 on this straight road. Now suppose this person has moved to another point. Now his position is -4 according to this diagram. This is an introduction part. Okay. So if a person is walking along this road, we can clearly say the position of the person. Understood? If the person is standing here, we say his position is 0. But if the person is moving in this direction, suppose the person move in this direction and suppose he is standing here, how can we say that position of the person? So this line, this number line is not sufficient to answer his new position. Or he can move to this point. He can move to this point. Or he can move to this point. How can we express the new position? So in order to answer that questions, we need one more number line like this. I will show you. Suppose this is a number line. 0 is marked at the center. 1, 2, 3, etc. in the right side. -1, -2, -3, etc. in the left side. So if a person walking along this road, we can clearly say his position. Now I am going to draw one more number line vertically. Look at this picture. Vertically I am going to draw one more number line. This point is 0. This point is 0. And here in the upper side of 0 we mark the positive numbers like +1, +2, +3, etc., etc. towards the upper side. And downward we mark the negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, etc. So once we have drawn two number lines like this, we can clearly say the position of the person if he is traveling in this plane. Suppose this is the ground. Okay, this is the ground. On this ground I have drawn two number lines. The person is traveling on this ground. Wherever he stands, we can clearly say his position mathematically. I will give you example. Suppose initially the person standing at here, okay, this point. Suppose he is traveling to some point. Suppose the person is initially at 0. Okay, I agree. Suppose this person is moving in this direction, moving in this way. Where is he standing? Where is he standing? In order to answer such question, what we do? We have to draw some dotted line vertically and horizontally. Vertically I have drawn the dotted line. It meets at 2. And horizontally I am going to draw dotted line. It meets at 1. So what we can say that his position is 2, 1. His position is denoted by 2, 1. How we get 2 and 1? How we get 2 and 1? I will repeat. The person is standing here now. Draw vertical and horizontal lines. Draw vertical line it meet 2, and draw a horizontal line meet at 1. So 2 comma 1 will be the position. Is that okay? So let us name this number line. Let us name this number line. This is said to be x number line. Okay, this number line is said to be x, or we say that x axis. Axis is the another name representing number line, and let us call this number line as y axis. So to express the position of a point, we need x value and y value. Draw dotted lines like this. You will get x value here on x axis, y value here on y axis. Understood? So I will give you another example. Suppose the person is at origin, 0. He is traveling to another point like this. He was here initially, is traveling to another point. What is the new position of this person? Draw vertically and horizontal lines. Vertical and horizontal lines are drawn. So the x value is 5. This is said to be x axis. This is said to be y axis. So draw dot lines. So this will be the x value of the person, which is 5, and 4 is the y value of this person. Okay, so his position mathematically written as 5 comma 4. 5 comma 4, x value comma y value to be written. I will give you plenty of examples. Suppose the person is here. Say he is traveling to this position. Understood? He was here initially, but he can travel in any direction. So he is going to this, he traveled to this point. What is his position? Okay, what is his position? Draw dot lines vertically and horizontally. Draw dot lines. His x value is -4 and y value is 2. So his position is -4 comma 2. Clear? So the next, let me give you more examples. He has traveled to this position. He was at 0 initially. He has traveled to this position. Where is his position? How to express his position mathematically? Draw horizontal dot vertical line and a horizontal line. Its x value is -2, right? X value is -2. Y value is -4. Is it correct? So -2 comma -4 is the position. Is that okay? -2 comma -4. One more example. Initially he was at 0. He has traveled to another point. Suppose he is standing here. Draw dot lines vertically and horizontally. His x value will be 4. Y value will be -5. So 4 comma -5 will be his position. So is it clear? So let me give you a few more examples. So a person moving in any direction. Suppose a person can move in any direction. In whichever direction he travel, we can clearly express the position of the person mathematically. For example, I have explained plenty of examples. Suppose a person standing here. What is his position? Another name for position is coordinates. Coordinates means it is another term representing position. So in question they will ask you, find the coordinates of the point, position of the point. Dot line is already available. X value is 5, right? Y value is 1. So 5 comma 1. And here there is a point here. What is the position or coordinates of this point? X value is, dot line is already there. There is a graph sheet. In the graph sheet there will be this dot line. Okay, so you need not draw the dot line, it is already there. X value is -3 and y value is 4. So these examples are clear. Understood?